डू यू गाइज फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम जहाँ पर हम एक ही वर्ड को बार बार रिपीट कर रहे हैं बिकॉज वी डोंट नो द ऑल्टरनेटिव्स ऑफ दैट वर्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मुझे डिफ़िकल्ट बोलना है तो आई डोंट नो डिफ़िकल्ट के अलावा और क्या वर्ड्स हैं जो उसी के रिप्लेस करेंगे. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड इन टुडेज वीडियो डिफरेंट ऑल्टरनेटिव्स ऑफ सेइंग डिफ़िकल्ट. बात करते हैं फर्स्ट वोकैबुलरी की एंड दैट इज ऑल अबाउट ट्रबलसम. ट्रबलसम सिंपली मीन्स डिफ़िकल्ट विच मीन्स causing problem for somebody. For example, handling children can be troublesome at times. बच्चों को हैंडल करना कभी कभी बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. So troublesome can replace the word difficult. Moving to the second word, it's all about it is easier said than done. In Hindi we generally say कहना आसान है लेकिन करना मुश्किल है. When you think something looks like a good idea but it is difficult. So there we can say it is easier said than done, which simply replaces difficult. For example, I have to save 80% of my income to afford this car and it is easier said than done. So difficult can also be replaced with this phrase it is easier said than done. Moving on to another vocabulary, it's all about delicate. Delicate तो वैसे sensitive चीज़ें होती है but there are some matters which are quite sensitive और उन्हें बहुत ध्यान से देखना पड़ता है. So things which are sensitive and it needs to be dealt with carefully. So at that time we can use the word delicate for the word difficult. For example, I have to speak to her about a delicate matter which is a difficult matter. थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखना पड़ेगा. So difficult can also be replaced with delicate where you have to be little careful while dealing with the things. Another word is demanding. Demanding simply means where you have to put a lot of attention, time and efforts. So जहाँ पर भी हमें बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ता है, attention देनी है, efforts and time, so that work can be difficult or you can say demanding. For example, learning skills can be demanding. कुछ skills को सीखने के लिए थोड़ा time देना पड़ेगा, so they can be demanding. Next word is tricky. Tricky simply means requiring lot of care and skill because it is difficult. For example, installation of this equipment is quite tricky. जब भी आप कुछ काम करो जहाँ पर आपको बहुत ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि वो difficult है, that's why we can say it is tricky. Another word which we can use here is complex. Complex means because something is difficult as it has so many connected parts. When something gets too complicated to understand because of lot of complicated parts, that's why we can call it complex. For example, the question of who is legally responsible is a complex issue. So जहाँ पर भी हमें use करना difficult, so there we can use complex क्योंकि उसके बहुत सारे parts हैं which is making it difficult to understand. So complex can also be replaced with difficult. Next is challenging. It means difficult in a way that tests your ability. जहाँ पर भी आपको ability show करके prove करना होता है that you are doing in a right way, so that time we can say something is challenging. For example, she performed in a challenging task without any mistake. So difficult task में perform करना बिना mistake के लिए we can say she performed in a difficult task or challenging task without any mistake. And moving on to the last vocabulary which is all about confusing. Something that makes you confused just because it is difficult. For example, this maths problem is extremely confusing. जहाँ पर भी कोई चीज़ ऐसी मिल जाती है जिसको देखते ही आप confuse हो जाते हो, so वहाँ पर difficult की जगह you can also use confusing. So I hope you learned some different vocabularies which you can use instead of difficult. So I hope you will definitely use these vocabularies and make your language impressive and powerful. So see you guys in the next video.